Hello everyone, in today's video I'll guide you through the process of how to download Google Play Store on iOS. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to begin, launch your favorite web browser. Next, input Play Market into the search bar and navigate to the official Google Play website. Now, simply tap the designated button at the screen base and scroll until you locate the Add to Home Screen option. Once found, proceed by clicking on it. Subsequently, choose and input the desired display name. I'll input Google Play Store. After that, tap Add in the upper right corner of the screen. At this point, you will have the app on your screen. To access the Play Store, simply tap the designated icon and voila! You are ready to explore and download any games or application, even on iOS. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.